नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। IJVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Now today's topic is BPT 8th SEM, anatomical difference between the children and adult. Gastrointestinal systems. The children's tongues, large, nasal and oral passages are small. Stomach, cardiac sphincter is relaxed. Emptying time of stomach is about 2 to 3 hours in toddler. Food pass very rapidly in infant and in neonate. Liver is 4% of the total body weight and occupy more space in abdominal cavity. Adult small tongue, large nasal and oral passage, tight, very slow. Slow and absorption take place. Hard stool, only little space occupied by liver. Respiratory system. Children's in neonate and in infant respiratory tract is very delicate and do not produce mucus. Older children produce mucus. A Eustachian tube is short and straight and short distance between trachea and bronchi. Nostril and adenoids are large during childhood, involved in the production of antibodies. Respiratory tract obstruction occur commonly in children because of short airway. Respiratory rate is more. Adult, well developed tissue, lung, long, smaller tonsil, less chance of obstruction or less. Heart and circulatory system. Children's heart sound high pitches, adult low pitches. Pulse rate 140 beat per minute, adult 80 to 90 beat per minute. BP less than adult 100 upon 60 mmg and adult 120 by 80 mmg. Into integumentary system. Children's accumulation of vernix in neonate and infant by sebaceous gland. Adult में स्वेटिंग होती है. Sebaceous gland are large in size, adult में small. Tinea capitis in early childhood and tinea pedis in adolescent are common, adult uncommon. Hair shiny and skilly, adult no, not skilly. Newborn baby nails are soft and thin, adult no soft and thin. Urinary system. Children's infant and toddler does not have control over urination. Adult have control over urination. Bladder capacity is too less. Adult 500 ml. Influenced by stress doesn't. Endocrine system. Children production of growth hormones is high in pubescent girls. Adult slow or restricted. Adrenal gland are small and have limited function. Adult normal. Reproductive system. Children's ovary in full term infant approx 10 mm in length and 2 to 4 mm in width. Adult कुछ नहीं. Testes 1.5 to 2.0 cm in length and 0.7 to 1.0 cm with width. Musculoskeletal system. Children in fetus bone of the face and cranium are ossified, but other bones develop up to adolescent period. Adult, all bone are ossified. Children at puberty, the male hormones androgens causes increased muscle size in boys. Neurological system. Children's neonatal brain weight 300 to 350 grams, double in 1 year. Reflex such as sucking, rooting, plantar, palmar and Moro's disappear. Neonate can hear loud sound and respond by body movement. Fluid and electrolyte. Children's total body water in infant is 750 ml per kg body weight. Adult 550 mg per kg body weight. Newborn baby composed of 75 to 80% of water, adult 60% of water. Infant have greater fluid loss, adult lesser loss. Physiological difference: temperature regulation, immaturity of hypothalamus and large BSA lead to impaired temperature control. Brown adipose tissue is greater in newborn than adult. It helps in thermogenesis and keep the baby warm. Alimentary tract show poor absorption, pattern of respiration high 30 to 40 per minute. Lungs develop from an outpouching of GI tract. Maturation not complete until age 8. Surfactant production start at 24 days of gestation. By 28 weeks, surfactant with lipoprotein being to appear. Lecithin या sphygmomyelin ratio. Fetal lung maturity. Low risk of RDS. Elastic tissue properly developed. The neonate has limited respiratory reserve, IRV, ERV or RV. Spontaneous ventilation, TV is equal to total lung volume is equal to 6 to 8 ml per kg. TLC 50 to 90 ml per kg. Minute ventilation is rate dependent as there is little means to increase tidal volume. MV is equal to TV into respiratory rate 2000 to 480 ml per minute per kg. Normal respiratory rate 24 H per square. Body weight. The FRC is the volume of air present in the lung at the end of passive respiration. This is the air which prevents sp to fall during apnea. Functional resistance capacity is relatively low, 25 to 30 ml per kg. FRC decrease further with general anesthesia causing hypoxia, lung collapse. Neonate and infant can't hold their breath as long as an adult. Can lead to earlier onset of hypoxia and decrease in saturation by giving CPAP and suctioning. Apneas are common post-operative also in neonate. Apnea are significant if they last longer than 50 seconds and are associated with desaturation or bradycardia. The alveoli are thick valve at birth, has only 10% of the adult total number of alveoli. The alveoli cluster develop over the first year of life. Closing volume higher in neonate, tend to collapse easily early during expiration. Atelectasis is common in neonate. Large number of underdeveloped alveoli. Amount of surfactant present less. Smaller alveoli, compliant chest wall, less compliant alveoli. Physiological dead space 30% of TV and increased by anesthetic equipment. Factor which tend to increase the dead space must be minimized circuit, airway, neck extension and jaw production, PVE, etc. Thank you.